I've been in the business long enough to have seen the first generation of what might have been considered low-code, no-code environments, and many people will know Microsoft Access. I'll use that as an example. In the 90s, Microsoft Access could be used by business users to create useful departmental systems. They may not have been built up to the standards that traditional application developers have, but they served a business function, and they delivered a lot of value over the years. There is a resurgence now into Microsoft Access-like tools, for lack of a better word. They are more elevated tools. They do more automation than Access did. But the one thing that they do is common to Microsoft Access is they allow business technologists to do development, to do large portions of development. Now, the systems that business technologists are participating in the development of aren't necessarily the mission-critical systems that are customer-facing or back-end facing. They are systems which are in support of the business. And business technologists can use no-code and low-code tools to actually deliver a lot of value themselves. They can also create a whole bunch of disconnected systems which have no commonality, and you end up with no hope of integrating the information that is in those systems. So many people will remember that about Microsoft Access. I mean, I do. We redeveloped a lot of those systems into more integrated systems. So the approach to using the new no-code, low-code app dev platforms, which are cloud-enabled, you need a salting of business technologies, their understanding of the business problems to be solved, and their abilities to define and create elements of those solutions. You need to be able to couple them with the rigor of application developers, data analysts, people more from the technical side, more traditionally information technology. If you can put those two together into a team, you get a force multiplier. You get systems being created more quickly, and they're being created more quickly in a correct fashion, and they're really pushing the enterprise forward in the services that not only do they offer internally, but done correctly, you can create systems which can be offered externally to your customers and your partners, because they would have been built with good discipline, they would have been built rapidly, and they would have been built in a way which meets the business problem.